I'm taking off a part from this two-door Tahoe that I have not seen in this entire junkyard. The hood release. Every one of them was chopped off with a screwdriver because it uses a T35 or T40 bit. And every one that I looked at had been chopped off, except this hacked to death truck. And wait till you hear the door on this baby. Look at that. Lovely. Lovely. Torch truck. Listen to this baby. That's why I come to the junkyards. Get some redneck door squeaking. Yeah, I can send this off to the guy. Something else holding it on. A little bit of dum-dum maybe? Yep. Something else. 2 torque screws, what? Every one of them was chopped off. Who the frig knows this one? Got me a screwdriver. And it takes a Phillips. Why would they have 1 Phillips and 1 Torx? Why? Mr. General Motors. Now run by a Miss Barra woman. Look at that. 1 Phillips, 1 Torx. Junk. We'll figure it out. Every one of them hacked off. Every one.